All right, let's hear a little sing.
As I travel to the land, singing as I go, pointing soul to Calvary as the crystal flow. Many others see me there, hold me by my hand. Home at last, where at last, ever to rejoice. Oh, I want to see him, looked up on his face, ever since forever of his saving grace. On the street of glory, let me lift my voice. Here at last, home at last, ever to rejoice. We'll and come again. Here at last, home at last, ever to rejoice.
Thank you. Amen.
Amen. Come he that love the Lord, and let your joy be known. Join in the song with sweet accord. Join in the song with sweet accord. Join in the song with sweet accord, and dust around the throne. We are marching to Zion. Beautiful, beautiful Zion. Yes, we are marching upward to Zion, the beautiful city of God.
Thank you.
Let angels hear our voices and sing to God on high. We are children of the heavenly King. We are children of the heavenly King. We are children of the heavenly King. Prepare our soul for God.
We're marching to Zion. Beautiful, beautiful Zion. We're marching upward to Zion, the beautiful city of God. All right, see you guys later.
Yeah.
Okay. All
What
right.
you going to give me?